to Cocktail Corner with the Spirit Seers. I'm Sabra, and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest cocktail ever. So, one step, take your glass. Second step, take this lovely concoction that's in our reused jar. Ta-da! Just kidding, it's not really that as simple as that, but it is after we're done. So, this is a clarified milk punch. I made this batch that I just poured in here as a large batch for probably 8 to 10 people, but I'm going to show you today how to make it for just 1 or 2 people. It's very simple, it's just a little time consuming, so if you're going to make this, either make it at the beginning of your party and wait for it to be like 20 minutes down the road, or just make it a couple weeks beforehand, it doesn't matter. So first we're going to take whole milk, or half and half, or heavy cream. You just need a high fat content milk. This style of cocktail, or food preservation, goes back to the 1500s. They used to use it as a food preservation technique. So we're going to build the drink in this glass, and then we will go from there. So we're going to take equal portions of everything here. So 2 ounces of lemon juice, and you need the acid from like any kind of citrus to curdle the milk. Then we're going to take 2 ounces of cachaça, and this recipe for milk punch is a Spirit Seer original. We came up with this, so this is something that you just make it up and play around with it, and once you find something, you've got it. So 2 ounces of the cachaça. This drink was created to kind of help highlight the flavors of spring, and so we just thought the grassiness from the cachaça would be great. You know, you've got lemon, that's really bright. Then we're going to use creme de cassis, which cassis berry, it's just black currant, and it's got a lot of health benefits to it, so that was good. Some milk punches will come out clear, some will come out tinted from, you know, whatever you're using. So this one, as you can see, comes out a little bit of like a rosé color, most likely from the cassis. And then 2 ounces of a strong black tea. You want a really strong flavor. This is one that we steeped overnight, cold brew style. Okay, perfect. I actually need a bigger thing to put this into, so we're just going to use a shaker tin. So when you do this, you want to add your cocktail mix to the milk, because the milk needs to curdle at a certain rate. If you add the milk to the cocktail, it won't curdle right, and then you're just left with a mess. Gonna add it, stir it a bit, add and stir, and already it's starting to curdle up and give that sour milk look, and that is what you want. Then this is the part that's super easy. You are just gonna slowly add it through a coffee filter. Some people use cheesecloth. That is just a pain to work with for me, so coffee filter works great. So as you can see from the drip rate that's picking up on the camera, it's pretty slow going for a while. Kind of does its own thing. So this is kind of a set it and forget it. If it doesn't come out clear the first time, you can refilter it, but don't move the fat curds, because if you move it, the fat won't be filtering it and you just get a cloudy cocktail. And then once this is all done, this can keep in the fridge for pretty much indefinitely. They used to use this just to preserve their milk and stuff. And the finished cocktail is a delightful, creamy mouthfeel, and it has all the same flavors and alcohol content as the stuff you put into it. Okay, so we're just gonna put this off to the side. And then we're gonna dress up our original glass. So with this, some people just pull it right out of the fridge and just drink it straight. I like it over ice. So I'm just gonna add a large ice to it, so that way it's a slow dissolve. I don't want it to get watered down very fast. And this one, I did freeze a flower in the ice just to give it a little bit of a good look, because you know, otherwise it's kind of just looks like a glass of wine, which is fine. But as you can see, and we do just reuse bottles here, but this is an awesome cocktail, and it's kind of a fun storyteller at whatever party you go to, or if it's your own party or whatever, if you're just with some friends. And there you go. If you do have anybody that is lactose intolerant, you can do the same with oat milk. I haven't tried it yet, but I have heard it yields the same results. So cheers and enjoy.